हेलो एवरीवन, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन। फिजिक्स वर्ड चैनल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। पिछले हमने इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वी लर्न अबाउट द विजिबल कंस्ट्रेंट रिलेशन। सो वी विल जस्ट रिवाइज दैट टॉपिक फर्स्ट एंड देन सी द कैलकुलेशन रिलेशन। ओके, सो व्हाट वी स्टडी वी विल फर्स्ट सी, like for example I will tell you, this is a pulley over which two blocks are placed having a mass m1 m2. Clear? This pulley is fixed, this pulley is fixed. Now we will see whether the visible relation are valid or not. First, both bodies are connected by the same string. You can see that both bodies are connected by the same string. Clear? Pulley over which string passes should be fixed. Pulley is not movable. You can see pulley is fixed. Clear? Now body move along a string. Bodies are moving along a string. For example, this body is moving along this string, this body is moving along this string. Okay? So both bodies are moving along a string. So what we study, if the visible relation are valid, then the acceleration of the two blocks are same. Magnitude, remember I am saying magnitude, not direction. Clear? Now we will study the constraint relationship. Okay, we will study the second topic, calculation relation. What is it? Now you will study, if the pulley is movable, if the pulley is not fixed, it is moving with some acceleration, like it is moving. I don't know what is the acceleration. Let us consider this to be the center and this is to be radius r of the pulley, and this is the mass m1 of one block, m2 is the mass of another block. I am considering a reference line here. Now locate, we will use some geometry to find the relationship between the acceleration of pulley, two blocks, between the relationship between the acceleration of pulley and the acceleration of two blocks. Clear? This is the reference line. This is the reference line. Okay. Now we will use some geometry. We will locate the positions. For example, this is at a y1, this is at y2. From reference line we are taking some measurements, and this pulley is at yp. Clear? This is 2 pi r, then this will be here to here, this is pi r. Clear? This is yp. Yp is the location of the position of the pulley. Y2 is the location of mass m2. Y1 is the location of mass m1. Now what happened? When pulley is moving, then these positions are also changes. Now we will derive the relation L. Let us consider the length of the string is L. Clear? Which is equal to this L. L is the length of the string. This is L. Clear? Now this is yp, this is y1. So this is from here to here, this is yp minus y1. This is y2, this is yp, this is yp minus y2. From here to here. Clear? So L, length of the string, is the sum of these two, yp minus y1 plus pi r plus yp minus y2. So this is L minus pi r is equal to 2yp minus y1 minus y2. Clear? Clear everyone? This is equation first. Now we will apply some differentiation. We will use some differentiation techniques. We will differentiate it with respect to t. Then this is constant. This is constant because length is not changing, r is not changing, pi is constant. So When you differentiate it, it will be 0. Clear? So differentiate both sides with respect to t, with respect to t. Clear? Now I will differentiate it and you can see the result. I am just clearing this much thing. I can write here it's L minus pi r yp 2 yp minus y1 minus y2. So when you are differentiating, then it will be 0 to dy over dt dyb upon dt minus dy1 upon dt minus dy2 upon dt. So this is velocity, but here we are finding the acceleration relation. Then we need to again differentiate the equation. Clear? 2 d2y p divided by dt square d2y1 dt square. Clear? Now you can see this is 0. What is this? d2yp upon dt square. This is actually the acceleration of pulley 2ap minus this is the acceleration of this block a1 minus a2. So we got the relation. So I am roughing this. We got the relation AP is equal to A1 plus A2 divided by 2. We got this relation, which is a very important relation. We will use this in solving various problems. Now, where AP is the acceleration of this pulley. A1 and A2 are the acceleration of end points of a string. This is the end points over which a block is attached. Some object is attached. So acceleration of this, A1, A2. Clear? I am giving you some examples through which you can analyze what is the, how you will use this acceleration to find the, how you will use this relationship to find the acceleration of one of the block if acceleration of one of the block is given. For example, this is the pulley which is moving with acceleration 2 meter per second square, and these are the two blocks, okay, having a mass m1 m2. This block is moving upwards, this block is moving downwards with some acceleration. For example, I need to calculate the acceleration of this block. What is the A2? What is A2? I know the what is A1. A1 is given here 1 meter per second square. 1 meter per second square is the acceleration of this block which is given. Now I need to find the outer acceleration of this block. This, since the pulley is moving, it is not fixed, then we will apply the relationship which we calculate. AP is equal to A1 plus A2 divided by 2. Clear? AP is 2. A1 plus A2 divided by 2. Since 2 to 4, A1 is acceleration since it is going 1, and A2 we will calculate. We got 3 meter per second square. Remember one thing, here the acceleration is 3 meter per second square, which means it is also moving in this direction, 3 meter per second. Clear? So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and like my video for more updates, so that I can put more before you. I'm here to express all these things because my role is to help you people so that you grasp up all these concepts easily. If you learn these topics from books or elsewhere else, these topics are written in very toughest manner, but you, if you look at this topic from this video and try to revise it again and again, then you can catch up very quickly. So please do like, do subscribe. The, why I'm saying like and subscribe, in order